the principles of non-violence, ahimsa, truth, satya, self-discipline, sanyam, and important for liberation, moksha.
क्षमा ब्रेकिंग जैन न्यूज।
क्रम में बहन दिव्यांशी जैन जो अंग्रेजी भाषा में यहाँ पर समय साल जी ग्रंथराज को आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करेंगी। बहन विदुषी।
सभी अपने हाथ जोड़ लेंगे। ओम नमः सिद्धेभ्यः, ओम नमः सिद्धेभ्यः, ओम नमः सिद्धेभ्यः। नमो अरिहन्ताणं, नमो सिद्धाणं, नमो आयर्याणं, नमो वज्रायाणं, नमो लोये सवसाहुणम्। वन्दितु सर्वसिद्धे ध्रुवममल मनोभवं गदिं पत्ते वोच्छामि समयपाहुड मिणमोसुद केवली भणिदम। जय बोलिए मूल नायक 1008 श्री चंद्र प्रभु भगवान की। संत शिरोमणि आचार्य गुरुवर 108 श्री विद्यासागर महामुनि राज की। अभिनव आचार्य 108 श्री समय सागर महामुनि राज की। निर्यापक श्रवण मुनि पुंगव श्री 108 सुधा सागर जी महामुनि राज की। आचार्य संघ की। Actions are not only sufficient in Jainism. The intention behind those actions are important. Pure bhav fosters good karma. Pure bhav develops good karma, while negative bhav can result in harmful karma. Pure bhav is parallel to individual with the principles of non-violence, ahimsa, truth, satya, self-discipline, sanyam, and important for liberation, moksha. If a person have pure bhav, then it may lead him to grow in his spiritual path. By developing pure bhav, one can detach from worldly desires and attachments. You all have heard the term law of attraction. It's so popular nowadays in modern philosophy. Its principles are similar with Jain teaching about karma and bhav. As our Acharya Kunkunda said in Samaysara, Suddham to Vyananto, Suddham Chevapayam Lahdi Jivo, Jananto do Asuddham, Asuddham Mevapayam Lahdi. Here, Acharya Kunkunda is saying that he's telling about pure and impure soul. He's saying that pure bhav leads to favorable karmic outcome and impure bhav leads to unfavorable and harmful karmic outcome. The Samaysara highlights the pure bhav, that if a person cultivate pure bhav, then it will enhance or it will advance it will advance their spiritual growth. Let's consider a scenario of two people. There are two people. They are performing same action of distributing clothes among poor people. First person donates clothes with sense of duty and to gain social recognition. His bhav are mixed with ego and self-interest, while the second person performs the same duty, but his bhav are genuine compassion, and empathy, and motivated by a desire to elevate or to reduce the suffering of poor people. The bhav of second person are pure and selfless. In this example, both person perform the same action, same activity, but their intentions are different. So if their intentions are different, then their karmic outcome will also be different. So the first person whose bhav are not good will lead to bad karmas, and the second person whose bhav are good will lead to good karma and enhance spiritual growth. The concept of bhav in Samaysar is not only philosophical, but it is also a practical guide for living a life aligned with Jain principles. It teaches us that how we can live our life with having Jain principles in our life. The theory of like attracts like tells that positive person attracts positive thoughts. If a person is positive, he will attract positive thoughts. He will find positivity everywhere. If a person is negative, then he will going to find negativity everywhere in a positive situation too. And similarly, if a person's intentions are positive, then the experience will also be positive. There is also a very popular dialogue of a movie that is, किसी चीज को इतनी शिद्दत से चाहो कि पूरी कायनात तुम्हें से मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाए. In Jainism, this aligns with the belief that pure bhav leads to favorable karmic outcome. For example, cultivating brotherhood and compassion, one can attract similar energies and positive vibes. If a person has positive vibes, then the person will also get attached to him and will wants to talk to him. If a person have negative vibes, then nobody wants to talk to him. Jainism teaches that purity and clarity of bhav and intentions can manifest favorable outcome. In Sanskrit we say, yat bhavo tat bhavati. Now, we have established our belief. Okay? We have established our Shraddhan. But the question occurs that is this enough? Is this enough to only have belief or only have positive thinking? So our Acharya Kunda, he is very smart. He already told many years ago in his scripture, Samaysara, that Bandhanam cha sahavam, Vyani tu appanam, Bandhanam cha sahavam, Vyani tu appanam, Bandhanam cha sahavam, Vyani tu appanam cha sahavam. He is saying that, my dear children, only belief and positive thinking is not enough. What he is saying, that just having positive thinking and belief, you are not getting your goal. To get your goal, you have to follow that path. If I am hungry or we are hungry and we think that our stomach is full, just by thinking our stomach will get full? No, na? Similarly, we have to arrange all the stuff. We have to cook the food. We have to eat it. In our life also, to get our target, we have to do hard work. We have to do hard work with positive intentions and bhav. So, our Pujya Gurudev has termed this process as power thinking. So, as I have said in starting, that actions are not sufficient. Actions are not sufficient. Intentions behind those actions are also important. If a person only do hard work and doesn't have any belief or any positive intention, so will he do something good in his life? No, because he don't have belief, he don't have shraddhan what he is doing. So to get our target, we should have belief, positive intentions with hard work. Before listening to Guruji, I never thought like this, but after listening his words, I am able to deliver my speech, my words in front of you. His thinking is beyond the world. Like where our thinking gets started, where our thinking gets stopped, his thinking gets started. Nobody ever thought that there will be a huge place where both boys and girls would get education. Not only logic education, but also get spiritual education. Like we are studying Jain scriptures and spreading our knowledge among the people, among the society. And the respect we get there is just because of our Guruji. And at last, I would like to say, Bappa, you light up my world like nobody else. The way you teach us the scripture is overwhelmed. जय बोलिए अहिंसा परमो धर्म की जय।
आचार्य कुंद कुंद भगवान भी कहते हैं जहणवी सब